Welcome everyone. My name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Tonight, I'm gonna make a barbecue rub as if Jamaica had a barbecue rub. Stay tuned, make a run aboard. So Jamaica is synonymous with jerk cooking and jerk seasoning and jerk marinades. But I've been doing a lot of barbecue lately and I wanted to make a barbecue rub for myself that captures the Jamaican flavors. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. Right here in front of me, I have a ton of garlic that I just dehydrated in my Ninja Foodie, of course. And I also have some other ingredients like paprika. I have some allspice or pimento berries. I also have some kosher salt and some scorpion pepper. So my allspice is ground really coarse, and coarse ground, you know, that's pretty good for barbecue. So that's good right there. I have my pepper, my paprika, and my kosher salt. I'm gonna go ahead now and add my garlic. And to bring this all together, I'm using my Ninja blender. What I'm gonna do first is powder all my garlic. That way I'm working from all ground seasonings when I try to put this together. And the Ninja Foodie is what, on the dehydrated function, is what I use to dehydrate this garlic. I dehydrated for 12 hours, 2 separate batches. What I'll go ahead and do is drop this recipe in my Ninja Foodie playlist, and I'll link the playlist down below so you guys can check out my Ninja Foodie playlist. So right now this barbecue rub is done. And don't forget guys, go in the comment section, drop a comment, let me know what you would like to put this rub on. Go in the description box, find me on Instagram, send me a direct message, and I will go back and check, look at your comment, and I'll make sure you get a free sample of this very barbecue rub. Right now, I'm calling it Island Grill Barbecue Rub. So to recap this video, my rub is made of ground garlic, paprika, ground allspice, some kosher salt, and some scorpion pepper. For using it on meat, I will add brown sugar. I will not add brown sugar now to avoid clumping, but definitely some brown sugar will be added to it for that extra flavor. The rub is a little bit spicy, but not too much. Coarse, so that we get good character on the meat that we're cooking on the smoker. This will be used to make some pulled pork from a Boston butt in my next video. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. I'm also going to add this to my Ninja Foodie list as well as my grill playlist. So go ahead and check those lists out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share this video with somebody who you think will like it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.